In this video, we'll go over some important shortcuts you can use on the Pixel Slate keyboard or other made-for-Google keyboards like Bridge G-Type keyboard for Google Pixel Slate to complete some tasks more quickly. When you want to find a keyboard shortcut fast, press the Control, Alt, and question mark keys, then search or browse for the shortcut you want. To talk to the Google Assistant, press the Google Assistant key. To search your device, apps, web, and more, press the Launcher key. To open your Pixel Slate status area, press the Menu key. To turn Caps Lock on or off, press the Alt and Launcher keys. You can take a full-page screenshot by pressing both the Control and Overview keys. Or take a partial screenshot by pressing the Control, Shift, and Overview keys, then clicking and dragging over the area you'd like to capture. Quickly lock your screen by pressing the Launcher key and the letter L. To sign out of your Google account, press the Control, Shift, and Q keys, pressing the Q key twice. To learn more, visit the Pixel Slate Help Center.